Welcome to Chimahaba Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Good day, viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I want to share with us a powerful recipe you can use against your enemy, against your unfriendly friends, against the evil ones. Are you looking for a recipe to suffer your enemy non-stop? Are you looking for a recipe to make your enemy confess their sins against you? All you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't touch that dime. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Welcome back to Chimamata Spiritual TV. On this channel, it's all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural roots, natural herbs, natural materials that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, spiritual powers, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. If you are just coming in contact of this face for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Make sure you turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. Like my videos, give them a thumbs up, comment on the comment section, share my videos to your friends, to your well-wishers, to your families. Share it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And as you are doing this, may God bless you. For those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, my returning viewers, those of you who has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, those of you who has been calling me to testify of what God is using me to do, those of you who has been supporting me in money and in kind, I pray for you that it shall always be well with you. Yes. Where others go and fail, you will go there and survive. And where they go and find it difficult, it shall be easy for you. Whatsoever that made you to come in contact of my face and of this channel, my God will solve it for you. Yes. Without wasting each and every one of your time. Are you looking for a recipe or a spiritual tips that will help you make your enemy to suffer non-stop? Do you want to afflict suffering to your enemy? You want your enemy to have a taste of the meal that they have cooked for you. All you need to do is to relax and make sure you watch this video to the end. Has that enemy claimed undestroyable? Has that enemy been causing catastrophe, been causing affliction of the devil, disappointment, failure, rising and falling, leaking pocket, poverty? This is the works of the evil ones. They afflict you with sicknesses, with diseases, with failure, with rising and falling, with poverty. I have come to share with you another great spiritual recipe that will help you to fight your enemy. Those enemies that is against your prosperity, that is against your going forward. Those fighting you, those evil backbiting you, how you are going to defeat them, how you can suffer your enemy non-stop, how you can make them shed tears. All you need to do is to get me this particular fruit or root that possesses the power of the sun, that has the power to drive away negative energies and forces, that has the power to destroy evil spirit. And what is the name of this item? It is called lemon. Yes. We all know the power that lemon possesses. On this recipe, we are going to be using lemon. Another item you are going to be using is your pepper, chili, black pepper, red pepper, black chili, red chili. On this recipe, you can mix red chili and black chili in order to pepper your enemy, for them to feel the pains that you have been feeling for years. Black pepper, black chili, red chili. You can mix them together. The items we need is these two items with your knife. And this particular recipe, you have to do it completely 4 days in a row. It is very simple said and done, but very powerful. The spiritual power of faith is highly potent. This is going to destroy your enemy. This is going to fight them non-stop. This is going to make them shed tears. This is going to make them to leave you and leave your family. And you are going to enjoy the peace and the destiny that God has destined to you. How is this recipe done? This recipe is best done at night, in the midnight, by 2 a.m., by 3 a.m. Because the enemies, the evil ones who is fighting us, they always operate at midnight. That is when they have power. So if we want to destroy them, we fight them that time that they are always awake. So at midnight, that is when you are going to do this. All you need to do is to get your lemon, cut it vertically, not horizontally, vertically, this way. This will help you suffer your enemies non-stop. Is going to pepper them. Those enemies, this recipe will help you come against evil forces, evil attack. Now you cut the lemon vertically. Yes, horizontally, not vertically. You see, when you cut the lemon, you have two sides. The lemon has the down side, it has the head side. Now, the downside is for the female who are attacking you, who are your enemies. Those women who are your enemy, evil aunties, evil neighbors, evil mother-in-law, evil sisters. The middle side is for the female. The head side are for the men, those that has been suffering you, those your enemies backbiting you, spoiling you in the presence of your destiny helpers. Those your evil friends, those backbiting, those spoiling you in the presence of your enemies. This is how you are going to suffer them non-stop. This is how you are going to pepper them. Remember, if you are doing for the female has to be at the left-hand side. The male one has to be at the right-hand side. Then you get your pepper, your black pepper, your red chili, your black chili, your red chili, mix them. I'm coming. This is my black pepper. I am doing it for the female ones first. Then you add here. Look at it. This is going to make them run away. This will fight your enemy non-stop. It's going to make them suffer non-stop. Now that you have put your pepper, you begin to call all of you that are my enemies. You female that are my enemies from my foundation, from my paternal side. You who has laid a curse upon me that I will never have rest. You have been attacking me today. As I pour this pepper, I turn you to become this lemon. If you know their name, the names of the female people who has been attacking you, name their names. Then begin to prophesy. You know what you are going through. Every evil friend, every backbiters, every spoilers, operation spoil my spoilers that are spoiling me in the presence of my destiny helper. Anywhere you are, I begin to pepper you with the pepper, this pepper. You that man, you that woman, you are going to join the head of them together like this. Anywhere you are gossiping me, speaking evil against my life, as I do this recipe, I call your name. Wherever you are you in the east? Are you in the east? In the west? Are you in the north? Let this recipe, let this pepper begin to pepper you. You will never have rest. You will suffer non-stop. This will suffer you non-stop anywhere you are. You that are my enemy, begin to call their name, one after the other. You are rubbing it this way. I begin to pepper you with this pepper. You starting from today, you will be uncomfortable. Whenever you hear my name, you will be running. Whenever you hear my name, you will be sharing tears. Let the universe begin to destroy every of your enchantment and your incantation. Every evil that you have done against my life, let it return back to sender. Rub the pepper and call the names of your enemy. Rub it together. After that, keep this. In the morning, when the day break, look for a T junction or a Y junction, and you call and you say, owners of evil load, as I throw this away, you that are gathering, planning evil against me, attacking me, I command you wherever you are, obituary without announcement, you will suffer non-stop. Then, at that T junction, throw one to the left-hand side, throw the other one to the right-hand side. Your enemies will never gather to plan against you. They will never gather to gossip you. They will never gather to spoil you at the presence of your destiny helpers. Go and try this recipe out. And if there's anything you don't understand I say on here, don't hesitate to ask me, as I'm open to communication. Please don't hesitate to like my videos, comment on the comment section, and share this video. And as you do this, may God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.